Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewson here, coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. We're going to be looking at 7 stocks that we believe are getting ready to really move on the upside. The first stock we're looking at is Facebook. Facebook is well known. It's been around for a long time. You can see our original buy point that came in right here at 29.07 last year, and it's had a super move since then. But the question is, right now we have mixed trade triangles. Now I want to show you this first of all. Mixed trade triangles means the weekly is down like this and the monthly is still positive. So the longer term trend is still positive, but the intermediate term trend is sideways to negative. It gives us a 60 reading, which means we're in a trend range. But I want to show you the number, the magic number that's going to make Facebook really begin to soar to the upside. The number we want to look at this week in Facebook is 81.90. Okay, that's the big number for us. If that kicks in, this will turn green and to the upside, indicating a trend reversal and give us a much stronger trend on the upside. I think we can see that happening, and we're above the 60, we're above the 50 level on the RSI, another good sign. So just waiting for that little momentum to kick in at 81.90. So you may want to put a stop, a buy stop in there. Good until the close of business on Friday. 80.10 is where we are right now. So it's really $1.80 away from where we are. And if that happens, I want to be long Facebook. Get back in Facebook for a move to the upside, probably to $100. This is again a weekly chart like we showed you. The last for Facebook was a weekly chart. This is Apple. Apple needs no introduction whatsoever, but you can see we still have that 60 number, which means the weekly is down and the monthly longer term trend is positive, but the intermediate term is not. So what we're looking for here is a move in Apple over, here's the number, I'll write it down for you, 133. That's the number. You may want to put a buy stop in Apple until the end of the week, close the business on Friday at 133. If that hits, you want to be long Apple because we're going to have another quick move to the upside, probably to the 150 area, maybe even higher. This is Google. Again, we have 2 triangles positive. We've had a nice little sort of support area going on here with Google. You can see we're flat on the line here. The RSI line is basically flat, so it's finding support there and it's beginning to round out. You may want to see the market just go over, close over the 540 area on a weekly basis. That would be a good sign for us, and I think you'll get another push up to at least to these highs, to around the 570 area. So watch that very carefully. But this looks like it's trying to build a base to go higher. Next stock we're looking at is eBay. Both trade triangles are positive, so it looks like it's trying to move higher. eBay will get very positive if we see a close over the 59.87 level. We're 59.53. So what I mean by a close over the 59.87 level, I want to see that happen on a Friday. That'll be a new weekly high close for this stock. If we put a line chart in, you can see we haven't really gotten over this high point. I want to see the market close over there. Then I think we have a very, very good shot of pushing this market up pretty quickly. We've talked about Alibaba before. We're very positive on this stock. We think this big base has really been formed and it is capable of carrying the market high. So there you are. So if we close where we are right now, I say towards the high end of the day, high end of the week, I should say. It closed over 94 on a Friday. We would consider that very, very bullish. So it closed over 94 on a Friday. Let's see, by Friday. That's very positive. So watch that Friday. Next stock we're looking at Starbucks. Again, all the trade triangles are positive, strong trend. See how this is something I want to share with you because you don't see this that often. But look at the RSI line right here. It's like right around 70. When RSI first came out in the early 70s, they said, oh, it gets to 70, 80, it's going to be overboard, blah, blah, blah. But look at how this market has consistently stayed over the 70 area. Just hug that line. So I believe they can go higher. We're looking for a buy stop. We're looking at the highest close we've seen on a Friday is 51.90. It's 51.57. So if you see, I would say, if you see a 52 print on a Friday, you want to go home long Starbucks for the weekend, and we think that'll push this market up. Probably, I would say, to the 60 area in the near term. So again, it looks as though we're building a base. If it closes over the magic number 51.90 on a Friday, we'd be very, very positive on this, especially if you could see a 52 print on a Friday. That would be super. So watch Starbucks very carefully. Our last stock is Amazon. If you've bought anything online, chances are you bought it from Amazon. They've done a fantastic job of marketing themselves. But look what I think is happening right now. First of all, we have to say that the trend is clearly positive. This is a weekly chart again, but you can see how we have a score of 100. All of our trade triangles are positive. But look, the breakout, and then look, it's stepping up. So on Amazon, $428.92. I want to be a buyer of this stock. Again, $428.92. I want to be a buyer. Not here. I want to see the momentum go up, and I want to be a buyer, especially if this happens on a Friday. So watch it very carefully, but you've got the RSI help, you have all the trade triangles, long stepping process to the upside. Amazon is a winner. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. Thanks for stopping by. Every success using these different patterns and the price points we've just given you today. Watch Friday. It's going to be a very important day, particularly as we talked about the markets hitting a low yesterday cyclically. Let's see how it works out for the rest of the week. Have a great trading day, everyone. Thanks for watching.